All right, welcome to another session where we write some code. This is going to be a little bit different. I'm going to walk through some projects and try and make a difference to this project during this time. So I have this meetings product that I've been working on called clamo.ai, and I've been working on it for a week or 2 weeks, something like that. And today we'll sort of implement some more features basically on top of it, which I think is I'll probably spend 30 minutes or so. This might be a little bit more of a short one. Essentially, I have some tasks that I want to work on. One is adding recordings, and we'll use the Codex tool to try and help us sort of riff on this quickly and produce basically a meeting recording as sort of the, will hopefully be what we get out of it at the end. So with that, I'm going to jump over to my laptop and all right, this is this I guess product that I'm working on. It is called clamo.ai. How it works, if I can find the right screen, let me pull my mic the other way so I can actually talk into it. You can I can go to my account, so this is clamo.ai. I can create a room. All right, so I've been working on this project called clamo.ai, and you can join a meeting with this product. So you'll see this is the sort of setup that I have. I can change things in here. So this is sweet, this does work. So I have these features. You have mute, so I can mute myself. I have turn the camera off. I can share my screen or a separate tab. I can raise my hand. You can see the participants. I have settings in here, some debug mode, noise suppression, blurring the background. I can change the microphone and do a bunch of stuff. Anyway, the feature I want to add today is this recording thing in here. So I'm actually going to go ahead and use Codex to do that and sort of spend some time working on that. So what I'm going to do is pull up the code for the project in Cursor. 1 second. Volumes, dev. Cursor dot. Okay, let's pull this in. Make it bigger so folks can see it. Okay, let's run this now, run it locally. Localhost 3000. Is it what host is done? Okay, so there's some following rules. So we got some errors right now that we got to solve. Let me fix this. So it looks like we got some get merge stuff to figure out. Yes. Okay. Let's see what it's saying here. Okay, let's keep the version from the other branch. Let's merge actually. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and basically there's a conflict here, so we're going to try and merge that right now, and hopefully we can run this and then start. Let's pull up codecs, and this is some of the work that I had it done. So it's like we had it add some stuff in here for the meeting that it's just added and we just merged. All right, and now let's run the meeting. npm run dev. We should get this going. Okay, 8787. Okay, so this is now local. Should be able to join this meeting. If I hit record and say some things, still uses my default cam. Doesn't retain the camera. Let's see. All right, let's save it. Let's open it. Hit record and say. This opened in a different thing, so I'll show you that. Let's open up a new tab. This is. I hit record and say some things. Okay, so you can see the video is duplicating, so we know we need to sort of fix that, and it's super pixelated for some reason, but that might be something we solve later. So I am going to say, is this the latest one? Yeah. Okay. Let's do this. Can you? The video is still duplicated and very pixelated. Can you help me fix this? Think through your answers as we have gone back and forth a few times. Try to punch it a few times to get it to no GitHub connection. Wonderful. All right, so I gotta go back and connect it. Manage environments. Seems fine. Pixelation in the video. Oh wait, now I'm gonna have to. Okay. I'm going to write a new command. Okay. Can you help fix pixelation in the video after recording? Okay, so it's going to go ahead. Oh. Why? Please reconnect GitHub account in your codec settings. Where is reconnect? Wait. Do I delete it and add it again? I guess let's do that. Okay. So I'm going to add another GitHub configure. Actually, I maybe don't want you to see this. Let's go here. 639. Oh, wait. Okay, so it has access. Right, now it's got it. Clamo. I think I spelled it wrong. Here we go. Oh, yeah. Setup script. Let's check what it is. Cat. Package. What is it? npm install. Yeah. Okay, let's go back here. Wrong place. Can you fix pixelation in the video after recording? That happens after I hit record and view the video in WebM format. It's very pixelated. Okay, so hopefully this will start work. Can I stop this one? No. Just have to wait. Okay, so this is going to hopefully work on this thing for me. We'll leave a tab there. So this is in local right now. Let's go back to cursor. Run npm run dev. And yeah, we're good. Okay. So while that one runs, I'm actually going to make some changes. So right now, if you click on my account, you sort of just get here. So I'm going to try and change this page. How this page works right now is we have a route and these do we have this thing called orgs? And in here, if your org is just a general org, you basically just get this list. So let's see. And then maximize this. Make this bigger. Check that you can see it. Yeah, sweet. Okay. And what I want to do here is add the same functionality that I have from the others. So let's create a new thing in cursor and say, can you create for the organization to create new meetings or have them upgrade via Stripe. Let's just say this. An organization gets, let's say, let's say gets 100 free minutes. So make it seem like they are in a trial right now. This is gonna run. Let's see if this one's finished. No, it looks like it's still working through this. So this is showing it's basically like going through the process of building right now and figuring out where the bit rate is of the video. It looks like there's like some work it's trying to figure out. So while it does that, we'll hopefully it can accept this change. Go back to our org. We got like kind of a nice page in here, and this will generate a meeting. Cool. Okay, I actually also just need this trial thing to actually work, so let's ask it to do that. In this page, can you help implement somewhere to track the minutes used per organization, so I know when they feel free to use D1 or D1 database or other to do this. Assume it needs to only be accurate to the nearest 5-minute mark, e.g. in participants or something. We could add a counter per user or something like that, where it behind the scenes for an organization has the total per month. Ideally, this is provided via the state of meeting minutes is provided also via an API. This might be too much. All right, let's see how this one's doing. So we're still going through this problem. Pretty likely. Okay, so there is a bit right here in the record meeting apparently. But I just need to change that. Maybe not. Looks like that's what's gonna come. Error. Implement the meeting tracking components as well. Okay, let's accept it. Let's get the Cloudflare stuff going. npm run dev. Looks like there was an error. No. No, run in Wrangler production. Use Wrangler dot production.toml and keep the DB the same, but run the execute to create the table, etc. Now let's figure out what is going on here. And if I run npm run dev, does that work? Get some weird build error. What's in the logs? Where is the database? DB. Let's use this one. Alright, Snowscope's database. Let's see if this one works now. I saw some error. Nope. Maybe I just need to, does it run on development or something? Yeah, okay, that might be why. I think it also broke. Yeah, no. Let's see. Yes. Okay. Okay, then if I run my app, npm run dev. We are stuck. Let's see. Okay. still get after running. What did I run? No. Sweet. Let's see if it's working. Let's see if the meetings product still works. Yep. All right. Cool. Okay. Can you confirm? Oh, I did not accept these changes. So let's see what happens now. npm run dev. Perfect. This is the challenge with some of these MCPs, some of these, as you riff on some of these things, that like this has no, like you could look up another organization's minutes, which would kind of be probably a security risk. Anyway, the next thing, let's see, can you find these meeting minutes that the org meeting minutes are being added in part or accrued somewhere. Okay, while that runs, this has to be finished. Okay, so we got like some stuff I guess they would recommend. They changed this. What did it say? Configure to use and 5 megabytes of. Okay, so it ran the check. Okay, so let's push a new PR. Oh, it sends a request every 5 minutes. Okay. Stop recording. It sends any. Okay, cool. So we did implement this tracking, which is kind of cool. So, and then folks can upgrade too. Perfect. All right, so let's view this pull request. let's also commit our code here. We probably shouldn't be in main, but let's see. Git add app. All the application stuff looks fine. Git add migrations. I don't really want to. Okay. Adding meeting minutes. Okay, so it should be in a fresh right now. We have this thing that was added, so let's go git checkout origin. Not much files known to git checkout. Oh, sorry, git pull origin. Git stash. We're basically gonna check out this. Resolve all conflicts manually. Wonderful. Where are my conflicts? It's always in this. Okay. Cursor. Resolve image out of there. I'm just gonna accept changes from the incoming and complete the merge. It doesn't like that either. Okay, so it merged it in. So let's npm run dev this and see when we go. Hit record, say some things, and hope that this works. Hit record, say something. Oh wow, it's better. Sorry. Go up. And hope that this works. It's still pretty big. Record, say some things, and hope that this works. The audio is great, but the image is still pixelated. Okay, let's see what they did. The image of the attendee is still pixelated and is doubled. Can we just show that active speaker only in high resolution? All right. Does it get to work? And let me join on my phone so you can see how it works too. Let's go to create a new room. Actually, we'll use a room name that I have, which is just called test. And Chrome. .ai /test. I gotta log in. Is this gonna? Cool. So you can see it works. Works pretty well. Yeah. All right. All right. So let's get localhost again. We should have something in here to invite team members to try it. I do have something in calendar that I started on too here. So let me find a day of the week. Let me show you this. So I did add in this thing, so you can add in a meeting invite. So you can see here, you get your meetings, which I thought was kind of cool. It's not approved by Google yet, so I can't put it on here, which is another problem, but yes. Okay, let's go to the next thing, which is to add okay. So we want to add in here the ability to invite. Okay, from the org page, let's say from org, can you provide a button or something so that people can copy or invite their teammates, members to join? Okay. Yes. Okay, so it's going to invite a person to join the org, which is cool. How are we doing on time? All right, we're going to try and cap it at an hour today, just because I got other stuff to do. Okay, while let's see if this is still going. The audio works really well. It's just a shame it's not that good. What is it called? Resend. Those emails. Does it do emails for? Wait, what? Oh, I was like, Resend joined another company. Let's sign up with Google. How do I send an email? Docs. Am I using Remix? npm install resend. Send an email. Okay, so like another thing I want to solve here is like when you. So right now you get this join URL, I guess. The join URL just loads an error. Okay, let's figure out why that is happening. Oh, probably because I didn't accept it. When I try the join URL, get an error. Let's see if there's anything there. This does a bunch of crazy stuff. We don't need this. Okay, then you can like enter it. I don't really need all this stuff, so I'm gonna just ask it. Can you remove the join org and setup org? Actually, I could probably just restore it. Damn. Load all the messages. Not sure how this still works. Go to my account. Oh, the button's been removed. And hopefully those join files are gone too. Otherwise my app is going to be out of control. Yeah. Okay, I don't know what's going on. Restore to this checkpoint. Okay. Did it actually save it now? Okay, let's get rid of this chat and see if. Okay, so OpenAI is still working on this task for me, so let's say this. How long do we have? 15 minutes. Okay, so we're gonna create a notification when a user signs in to their email. May need to protect this somehow. Okay. Okay. Let's remove this. When a user signs into their account, can we send them an email with resend? I don't even know how I can set this up. Let's see. Why can't I test this? This is like very strange. API keys. Okay, I gotta generate an API key. Let's call this development. Add access. Okay. I will go put it in a variable. I wonder where it takes it from. If you can do this with Wrangler. Okay. Resend and use the Wrangler variable resend API key with an API endpoint that is protected. So the user needs to be logged in for the message to get sent, and that people can't abuse the API email endpoint. Oh, now we'll go to resend API key equals production. Oh, yeah. Let's do that right now. Echo the key. Oh, yeah. So let's accept these and see if this works. So if I go to a new meeting, join, maybe a different problem I have. Okay. I drop down to the user circle in the top right so the user can log out. Doesn't work on the main page. Nope. Let's go pull request to this one. Say it's working. My sense is it's not. Actually, okay. Org. So basically I'm trying to test whether the logout stuff is working. So now when I sign in, I should get an email. I guess. Did it work? No. Damn it. Alright, I'll accept this. It's not ideal because it does show my name. Okay. But we should fix this. Okay. What was that API that we added? No routes. That is concerning. Oh, here we are. I thought we added it. Oh, here we are. API welcome email. Do I actually need to just... How do I see that? If response is not okay, else, yeah, let's try and log if I send it. Okay. Now I need to fix this thing. No. No, clicking on logout doesn't do anything. No, still won't log out. Just simplify this and send the user to log out and then redirect them to the home page. Have a logout? Yeah. does this work now though? No. Let's jump up the... Whenever I get to this point, I just get frustrated. So then I just am like, okay, I want to choose the model. Let's choose Sonnet 3. And keep moving. Perfect. It jumped and I didn't see it, so I have no idea whether it tried to send or what happened. Not sure. I don't know why it doesn't work. Did resend actually get it? That's another question. Okay, where am I going now? This is not going to work because it won't let me set it. Because that port is blocked. Let's see. I could add it though. Let's do that. Console, Google Cloud, clamo, APIs, no, clients. Google callback. It may take 5 minutes to 1 hour apparently. Okay, we might not be able to do this because Google doesn't update that quickly. Here we go. Okay. Now what am I doing? See, now we got the email now. Did I get an email? Nope. Let's see. Okay, go to my account. Not sure why it doesn't work. even see a call for it here. Yeah, that's a good idea. I may have to call this in a sec. While this runs, let's view this pull request. Okay. Oh. npm install resend. What port is this on? One works, one does not. So strange. Oh, then it says I should go to email test, right? Email test. API key is invalid. Let me change. Let's do Wrangler dev instead. Oh, wait, so I got to do some validation. Okay. Well, that goes. So we'll finish this off by viewing this pull request and trying to merge it. Actually, let's do it locally instead. App dot status add package. Get commit m add welcome and fix login. Git pull origin. Git resolve conflicts manually. Okay, where are the conflicts again? They're always in this one place. Okay. What am I looking for here? Cursor. Resolve and merge. Accept the incoming. Complete the merge. Resolve and merge added. Accept the inbound. Complete the merge. Continue. Not sure what is going on here. Let's see where we ended up here. So we pulled in that new Let's join a meeting. Record it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Save it. Record it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Still doesn't look like it. Still looks like it's kind of pixelated. I'm not sure we actually solved our problem today. Is it because it's not in the same? Let's see. Get status or get branch. Let's move to this branch because I think this was the newer one. Let me check. This is the latest one. 17 minutes ago. FC27 something. Don't even have it here. What? What's going on? So weird. Did I pull the wrong one? Get poll origin. Okay, so this is up to date, but we could not get, let's just make sure that this is the recording button, record meeting, added in this, so let's just make sure I got this in here. Let's see. Alright, so it does pick it up. Video tracks. For some reason, let's try another one. Let's run it. Okay. No. Alright, let's try with cursor quickly to see if we get a better one. And then we'll call it because I really do have to stop. Can you improve the quality of the meeting recording and ensure that there is not two people being recorded and just one in high resolution? Let's see if this works. It's doing something. I'll make sure my mic, I am in focus. Nope. Make sure I am in focus. The audio is so good, but the rest isn't very good. No, still showing two people, or showing two video feeds. One like duplicated. Assuming I am the only one in the meeting, and let's see, check the quality. Let's see. Still very poor. I'm gonna give myself another 5 minutes and then we're gonna stop. One, two, three, four, five. One, two, three, four, five. See, it looks fine when it's zoomed in. But, okay. Do I need to rerun it? Let's check. The older version of myself in here. This might be good. 1, 2, 3. This might be good. No. Let's send them a screenshot. Let's see what Claude does. Alright, let's see what happens now. One, two, three, four. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nope. We're fine. Okay, let's hope this one works now. Let's see. Oh, he's sick. That is awesome. Okay, so we actually did implement it. So let's go back here. I'm excited about this one. All right, I'm actually going to join another room. Oh wait. Okay, let's make sure I'm in focus. Okay, so one thing I'm going to do is change the button. Can you change the meeting button? Meeting record button to be more obvious. That's it, records. Currently it looks like a database. Shit. Just fix this and then we'll call it. So we basically need to upgrade the sonnet. It looked like. Okay, join this meeting, hit record. All right, we'll say some things and hopefully this is higher res. All right. We'll save it. Hit record. Let's help me get the URL. So we started here. Hit record. All right, we'll say some things and hopefully this is higher res. And we have high res. We have this high res video, basically, which is pretty sick. All right, we'll say some things. Yeah. All right. All right, I'm going to call it here. So if folks want to check it out, you can actually go to the URL. clamo.ai, and yeah, this is a project I'm going to work on for a while, so yeah, check it out. All right, thanks, bye.